Writing historical romance. Here's how to make it delicious, dramatic, and deeply swoonable. Tip 1. Make your setting do more than look pretty. Yes, lace and castles are nice. But what does a corset feel like? How loud are those carriage wheels? Set the mood with detail, sensory, awkward, and real. Tip 2. Let love crash into something bigger. Forbidden romance, class tension, maybe a war, or just a really judgmental aunt. Your lovers need more than chemistry. They need obstacles. Tip 3. Tension lives in tiny things. One brush of a glove, a letter left unread, a single stolen glance across a crowded ballroom. Phew. That's the good stuff. Historical romance isn't about the past. It's about longing. And longing, my sweet friend, is timeless. Follow for more tasty tips from your favorite talking cupcake.